Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious tacos de papa con salsa de tomate. For this recipe, we're going to start off by boiling our potatoes. I'm using 4 potatoes and I'm going to boil them for about 30 minutes. The potatoes are ready and I'm going to remove them from the water and we're going to let them cool off before we peel them. Now we're going to make the salsa for the tacos. I'm going to be boiling 4 tomatoes and 2 garlic cloves. We boil them for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting on the tomatoes to boil, I'm going to start peeling the potatoes. I'm going to start smashing the potatoes. Add some black pepper and some Munster cheese. And we mix it up. You can add some salt if you'd like, but I think the cheese is already a little salty, so we don't need any more salt. Tomatoes are ready and I'm gonna turn off the heat. We add them to the blender. I'm gonna add 6 chiles de arbol and I'm gonna lightly toast them. We need to toast them for a few seconds because these can burn very fast. We add them to the blender. We add 1 teaspoon of oregano and pepper and salt to taste. Now we blend. I'm gonna start adding the potato filling into the tortilla, and I've warmed up my tortillas in the microwave for a couple of seconds so that when I fold them, they don't break. Just like that, and then we fold them and we set it to the side. With this filling, I made about 20 to 24 tacos. I set my pan with some oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna start frying them. After about a minute, we flip them. Okay, these are ready and I'm gonna take them out. We keep doing the same for the rest. And this is how I like to prepare them. I add some salsa on the bottom. We add the tacos. Just like this. I add some lettuce. Pickled red onions. More salsa. Some Crema Mexicana. And last, some Queso fresco. And there you have it, delicious tacos de papa con salsa de tomate. Cheers. These are so delicious. No más que la salsita sí está un poco muy picosita, pero a mí me encantó. Honestly, super delicious. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!